How to open blocked Payoneer account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Whenever you try to log into your Payoneer account, if you get an error that says your account has been blocked, so here is how you can fix that. In order to do so, you have to contact to customer care. For that, you might get an option on this left hand side of this interface that says contact us. So click on contact us. Then you will be taken to next interface if you already have an account and you are a Payoneer account. Now you can simply sign in with your account by clicking on this sign in button. Now to contact to customer care, once you land on this interface, here on the search bar that says search all articles, here type in account blocked and search for that. Now once you're taken in this interface, scroll down a bit and click on the first option that says why my account closed. And after you do that, you will be provided with multiple options or reasons which might be the reason that is causing you the error. And on the next interface, you will get multiple reasons why your account has been blocked. So the first one, it says it has been inactive for more than 6 months. If your Payoneer account has been or inactive for 6 months, then there are no funds in your Payoneer balance, then your account will be closed due to inactivity. Or if you are under 18, then also your account might have been blocked, or if you attempt to register with mismatching details, that will also cause your account to be blocked. So there are more reasons provided here. So make sure you go through all of this information and after that click on contact us. Then you will be taken to this interface. So here you will be able to send the problem to customer care. First of all, select your language and under that type in your first name and next to that type in your last name and again type in your email address and under this topic click on there and from this drop down menu click on my Payoneer account. Again under my Payoneer account click on login in and security issues. Again, if you expand login and security issues, there it says my account is locked. So click on that. And after that, on this text box that says your questions or comments, here you can type in your questions or the issue. You can say that your account has been blocked for several days and you are not able to log in. So you need help with that as soon as possible. And after you do that, under that, you have to add an attachment that is the screenshot of your issue, but that's optional so you can skip that as well. And under that you have to verify yourself as a human, so click on the checkbox that says I am not a robot. And after you do that, click on submit and your issues will be submitted to Payoneer support center, and within 24 hours or 2 to 3 business days you will receive an email from Payoneer which might help you to solve the problem. If that still doesn't help you, then you can directly call the Payoneer Customer Support Center. To do so, click on Call us from this interface. Now, click on Sign in, and after that, you have to sign into your account. And once you signed in, according to your country or region, the number will be provided to you, and you can simply call on that number directly and get help logging in or signing into your account. So these are the way which will help you out to open the blocked Payoneer account. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.